Yo, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a budget tablet. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's go ahead and take a look at the unboxing right now. And let's just see what comes inside of the box real quick. All right, so right here is the tablet. It's made from a company called ALLDOCUBE. So you can see right here, this is the actual packaging. It comes in a white box. Social medias is on here, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. It's got right here, ALLDOCUBE name and everything, but there's pretty much nothing on the outside. So let's go ahead and see what's on the inside. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box and kind of just take a look at what comes inside of here for the first time. So let's go ahead. It comes with that sleeve, and then you could just pop the top off like this. So the top flew that way, so that's my bad, but let's go ahead and take the tablet out. And it comes with your instruction manual, some styrofoam to hold it in place. The tablet, I'm gonna put that right here off to the side. And so right here, you can see this is basically everything that's gonna be coming inside of the box right here. You get your user manual. If we take this off, you do see we have a charging brick, which looks like it's not like a fast charging brick. It's just a regular charging brick. And then it looks like we do have accessories inside of here. So let's go ahead and open this up. And we do get a charging cable as well. Now let's go ahead and put all of this off to the side. All right, cool. And so now that we got this tablet in the hand, let's go ahead and take it out of the sleeve. And so one of the cool things about this tablet is the way it's shaped. This is kind of crazy. So it's got flat edges and rounded corners, like it's basically a complete rectangle, and it can stand up on its own and everything. So it has a really, really good design. I definitely think this fits very good in the hand because the edges are actually like flat. And so that's going to be pretty crazy. So some interesting things about this tablet is it's an Android 13 tablet. I'm going to go ahead and peel the tape off. And it does have a screen protector, so you want to be careful not to peel that off. And so there we go. I put it back on and just took off this plastic material. I'm gonna put this off to the side, give it some juice. The power button is at the top, volume rocker is down below, and then this just has a nice metal finish. It feels really crazy. I actually got this for $71 on the Amazon Prime special, and right now it's not back up to $92. So this thing is gonna have 12 gigabytes of RAM with the 8 gigabytes of virtual plus the 4 gigabytes of regular memory, and then internal memory, and then you're gonna get 64 gigabytes of storage on this thing with expansion up to 512. This thing has 4G LTE, and it also does have support for Widevine L1, but this has the UnoSoc processor. It has a speaker down below, and I'm powering it on as we speak. It's running on Android. It does have the Type-C cable up top. The headphone jack is at the top left corner, and you do get expansion right here and your SIM slot right there. It does have another pin right here, which looks like a reset button or something. And so I'm wondering how the speakers are going to sound on here, but this is definitely going to be pretty crazy because it has a really good lightweight feel overall in the hand. And it feels like you don't need a case because of this metal casing around it. Just feels very premium. It just feels real solid on the back. It has like an aluminum like finish to it. So now that the tablet is on, you can see the aspect ratio, and this is a full HD panel. Basically what they're saying right now on the spec sheet, it's going to be 1200 times 1920. Overall viewing angles are pretty decent, not the best when it comes to the viewing angles. So you can see you can insert a SIM card in here. This is 8.4 inches when it comes to the display, and it's gonna have Android 13, which is cool as well. It also does have 4G LTE, which is something that's really nice, and it does have the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. I'm gonna go ahead put a pattern in for the Wi-Fi real quick. And I'm not trying to make this video too long, but I just kind of want to show you guys what comes into the overall setup process and unboxing and what you're getting. Then we're going to jump into some more videos. You could even use this device as a phone, and it does have one camera on the front, one camera on the back. So I think they're both going to be 5 megapixels on the front and back. So it's not going to give you the best quality in the entire world, but I'm going to pause the video real quick and show you guys what comes inside of this package overall. All right guys, so this is basically a tablet for the budget audience, and there is a higher spec version out here that you can actually grab the option to have, you know, 256 gigabytes of storage, and it's called the iPlay 50 mini as well, but it's just gonna give you, it's like the pro version. So if you want to get that one, it's $179. Let me hit don't copy, and you're gonna get the Helio G99 processing chip versus having the T606, which is what this one has. And so you're gonna get a better gaming experience, but they're basically gonna be similar when it comes to the overall look of it. So you can see right here it says who's going to use this device, an adult or a teen or a child. You could put adult right there. So that's kind of cool that it offers that feature. Then it's asking you to put your login information into Google, and you can go ahead, hit skip. So it's setting up the Google services. One thing I'm going to do is set up a pin, because that's what it's asking for right now. And this device can come in handy if you need a bigger display and you want to use something that has 4G connectivity. It's going to give you a really beautiful display at full HD, but also a really nice feel in the hand. And you can use it as a phone. So you could basically throw this in a bag and pop a SIM card inside of this. And so it's going to be a pretty decent experience. If you're looking at game, obviously you're going to get the higher graphic model, which is going to be the Pro, but this one right here can offer you some really good experiences too. So you can see you get all your options right here. You have security and privacy, calculator, live caption, bedtime mode, focus, storage, color correction, extra dim, data saver, color inversion, dark mode, and you also have hotspot, reader, screencast is on here, which is crazy. Location, 3-finger screenshot. You get your QR scanner, your screen recording, do not disturb, night light, battery saver, and alarm, and ultra battery saver. So a lot of features coming on this device. It's at 100%. Once I took it out of the box, I get my swipe left and right, and here you can see you have your Google feed. On here you have YouTube Kids, safety, Gboard settings, playbooks, sound recorder, kid space, keep notes, FM radio, files, and camera. You also have Chrome gallery, which a nice little gallery app, which is basically looks like the Google Photos app. So you know, you have that on here as well. And so yeah, for like less than $100, this is actually a pretty solid pickup. Right here you have your home settings, where you can actually get to the app drawer, as well as having just the straight up display like how it is, and then you get your wallpapers right here. I'm going to go into settings real quick. You can see right here we have display settings up top, force landscape, and you have your options right here. Wallpaper style is going to be there too, and you could change your wallpapers. So you get a couple of different wallpapers to choose from. You have your accessibility options as well, so that's important for a lot of people. You also have your security, your privacy right here. Location, you're also going to have system down here, and that's where you can actually change the gestures. You don't have like full gestures on here. It just gives you this option for navigation bar. So just wanted to throw that out there. And then you can see you have other the Android 13, 4 gigabytes of RAM, other information on this thing, and it's calling it the iPlay 50 mini on here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let's go into the camera, but it looks like it does have that it has FM radio too. So if you're looking to do that, you do have to have a headphone jack plugged into it to actually use that. Go into your camera, you can see right here, just allow, and it's going to give you the basic camera. It actually looks kind of good. I don't know why, but let's go ahead and do like a quick picture of something real quick. And then I'm going to do a video of it. I'm going to go into the video settings and I'm going to hit play. So let's just see how that looks real quick. See if it's usable. So it does look pretty decent. For a 5 megapixel camera, that actually looks pretty decent. So let me take a couple pictures of like my face just to see how the front facing camera is on the 5 megapixel there. But I like that this thing has a headphone jack and a SIM card slot, and it has a pretty big display. So it doesn't look the best when it comes to looking at it with my face, but I'm going to take a quick video. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. So this is the front facing camera. Let me know what you guys think about this. And then, so the camera mode does have a panorama, portrait, pro mode, capture mode, video mode. And the video mode, if you click here, you get your stabilization as well as face detect on this. And you also have, you know, save location, switch microphone as well. And you get 10 times zoom on this thing. So it goes up to 10 times zoom. That's kind of crazy. You can see right here. Slow motion mode. You also do have more options right here. Night mode, QR code scanner. So this is a pretty cool tablet. I'm looking forward to trying it out a little bit more. It doesn't look like it has a fingerprint sensor on this. As far as the security, let's go into security. And you can see right here, it just has like that pin set up. So you just set up a pin for it. And then like if you lock it with the lock button right here, you swipe up and you just enter your pin. So there's no fingerprint on this thing, but for the money, it's actually pretty decent. So I'm looking forward to trying it out a little bit. There's like a little sticker right here. But if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And I'll check you guys later. I'm going to mess around with this a little bit more, put my info in it, and I'll get right back with you, okay? Later, crew. Peace.